Hello and happy holidays, Silabrix fans. We are back for part 7 of the Advent Calendar series. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see, we are making an old-fashioned record player. So yeah, let's do it. So as you can see here, we have a speaker sort of thing with a tube connected to it right here. And here is the record, and this is the scratcher, I think. Let's put this player with the rest of our builds. And so here it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.